Play with your whiskey, they said. We were enticed by an interactive workshop where bartenders learned to flip and flair, and then we heard there would be a 2,400-gallon cocktail shaker on site. So we're here at Provision 14 to find out what the Bad Monkey Bar Lab is all about. To tell us more, here's Monkey Shoulder Ambassador Vance Henderson.
Hello everybody, Vance Henderson, Ambassador for Monkey Shoulder 100% blended malt whiskey made from mixing in cocktails, and we're here at the Bad Monkeys Bar Lab, DC, Maryland, and Virginia edition. What is the Bar Lab? You can come here and learn all the things, up your game for the ultimate whiskey workshop. You learn how to flair, learn how to up your garnish game. We're talking about frozen and blended, learn ice techniques, learn about speed, if you want to learn about flavor trends, as well as cocktail balance. We got all those things with some of today's modern bar and industry icons.
Why are you here at the Bad Monkey Lab today?
We're closed, and I wanted to get some education, whiskey education from the Bad Monkeys.
What are you hoping to learn?
Maybe a little flair, maybe a little garnish, whatever they want.
Attendees learn tips and tricks with instruction from the best bar gurus from New York to LA and in between, making their own cocktails. But that larger-than-life cocktail shaker was just for show.